fire fitment, dude.
Dude, that looks so fire, dude.
Holy shit, man.
Pretty flames.
Shit's fucking...
Tighter than a sphincter?
It's just fucking tighter than like my fit today. Lit.
Fire.
We're gonna throw on my front lip I ordered, and I got a wing spoiler, Bomex type rep.
Are you painting it today too?
Yeah, we're gonna paint them. We're gonna paint them and then throw them on, and then show them the exhaust I got.
Oh yeah, Nelson straight piped it.
Shout out.
No. Nelson. Joel.
$6 for that one.
Yeah, so
Looks sick, dude. How much paint do you have left?
Oh, I got like 2 cans.
Alright.
We didn't. How are you gonna fix this? Like,
We bonded.
No, what is this half-ass shit?
Oh, look, I got this like 150.
Did you do that, Nelson?
What?
Did you bondo the like crack that was on it?
what about this piece that's missing here?
Or was it?
Nelson,
how does this
you're really
fit?
blowing it
How
now.
does this fit?
This doesn't even...
But is
What
this gonna
the
be like?
fuck?
Well, like it's
Bro,
gonna.
Gorilla Glue.
Oh, I
Well,
guess it'll sit like
The
that.
hatch is a bit lower than like the body. So if you stick to the hatch, it would like,
Yeah,
yeah.
I feel. Oh yeah, Kobe Beef is. What's he doing?
Kobe's working. We're gonna have to talk to him next time we see him. Tell him to quit his job because he works for us now. Yeah.
Fire, dude.
Well, we'll figure it out.
Okay, cool. What are we
Okay.
gonna paint it on?
Wet sand this shit. Are you gonna wet sand or are you just blasting paint on it?
It's been mounted before, hey?
Yeah. Well, apparently this one tried to be mounted on. No, this? No, I got this from Facebook. I got
Oh yeah,
the
sorry.
front lip is from new.
That makes sense, dude.
Come on,
sorry,
dude. Not fire.
Sorry, dude.
Fuck, dude.
I ate too many hot Cheetos and lost. The caboose setup.
Hard line. It's gonna miss 1 million.
Trying to shred some waves, dude.
Shit, dude. Fire.
Cowbunga.
Get these fire ass waves, dude.
Dude.
Far out, dude. Oh, dude. What the fuck are you doing now?
This is my hand as a cutter.
Why's your hand so sharp?
I don't know.
This is a sick booth.
Booth, dude.
So are you primering still or are you laying base coat?
Just done priming. We're just gonna throw on the coat.
Is this 2K clear room?
No, it's acrylic.
Oh, fire, dude.
We're getting some water.
Wait, Nelson, your window's down, dude.
I know. No, we're getting some water.
Dude, full chooch, man. That was fire, dude.
No, dude, this put out is fire. And the window's down the one. Sprinkler just firing through the window. Full
Hey,
cheat.
turn it off!
Yeah, full chooch.
Turn it off, man! All the way, no! Man! Oh! Righty tighty!
Dude, sorry I'm knowing you. I'm going the wrong way, dude.
Dude, you're looking pretty fire today.
Yo, where'd you get that hat, bro?
Think it's fire, dude?
Dude, that's lit. That's lit 100 emoji.
Dude, mad fire, dude.
Fire.
You gained like 10 swag points, dude.
Yeah,
Dude.
whoa.
Fork, bro.
Hey, I hope my girlfriend don't see this because she's gonna leave me for him.
Fire.
Dude, the draft, dude.
Electro tape is probably the worst tape.
Will that overspray onto the bike?
That's taking it right off, dude. It's the dupli color, man. Dude,
Fire?
not fire. How much primer was on? Like nothing. It's fine, man. It's fine. We can make it work.
Dude, it's not looking that fire.
Dude, it's not my fucking car, dude.
Dude. That's my fire.
Nelson's right here, dude.
That's my fire,
Sit
dude.
quiet enough.
No, it's feeling pretty mint, dude.
You washed
Dude,
your
there's
face
so
with
much
that water.
skin.
Man, he's gonna.
You washed your face with this water.
Wait, is it even dry? Wait.
Dude, come on,
You
man.
just got water all over. Dude, we don't even know if it's dry.
Dude, eye infection.
That's dry.
Okay.
Your eyes are gonna be closed shut for like.
Alright, Lisa Ann. Fucking. You gotta hit us up and get a pimped out ride. Yo, dog.
That was fucking fire, dude.
We heard you like TVs. So we put 46 TVs in your whip. Fuck, dude. Your whip weighs 7 metric tons now because there's so many TVs in it. We heard you have a really small penis. What? Noah's old. Noah's the oldest here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm 20.
Wait, I'm 17.
Get out of here. This is not even legal, man.
Yeah, I know, right?
Chris Hansen comes out my exhaust.
Yeah. The cameraman.
Out the bush.
Yeah. Those are some pretty good moves he was doing, weren't they? Oh yeah, I guess.
Are you guys talking about wiping
He's
ass
17.
with a minor?
Yeah.
I honestly can't tell you. Like, I don't really, I kind of just do it subconsciously.
I can't even imagine sitting down.
Yeah, I tried it once and I was like, because whenever I'm like using,
I've never
like,
tried it. I've never. The thought has never
you know
crossed
where
my
I
mind.
sit is BC ferries, because if you fucking stand on BC ferries, you will topple over.
No, you just have to have balance.
Dude, when I fired on the back of the seat, man,
Dude,
I had to sit down to wipe
The amount
my
of BC ferries I've shit on and I've never once sat down and
You
wiped
guys-
my
If
life.
you're on the BC ferries and then you like stand up and then the boat hits a fat wave.
Dude, you hit like some turbulence.
Oh, guys.
Yeah, you just go
We're talking about
sideways.
ass when wiping.
This is called video filler.
Nelson, how fire on a scale of 1 to 10 are you expecting this to come out?
Ass 69. Out of 420.
You're gonna be oh, that's pretty low actually. That's the shot.
So
That's the shot, boys. That's the shot. Money shot.
Oh, yeah.
Now finish. Now finish. Finish. What the fuck? Finish. Let's go. Finish. Finish. Nice. Way to glaze that donut, brother. Way to glaze that donut, Chad. Oh, I broke my arm.
That was fire, dude.
dude, that was so fire.
It would have been fucking sick if you like went for the head smash after, dude. I'm telling him it was fire, dude. Put the fire out, dude. Put the fire out, dude.
Oh fuck.
Drop it in, dude.
Fucking fire, dude.
Hey, guys, so we're gonna throw the first paint of...
Base?
Yeah, first layer of base coat on the hatch.
Looks like you wiped it down pretty good, hey?
Yeah,
Solid prep work.
we did. It's all nice and smooth.
Yeah, there's not really any dust at all that I can see.
Yeah, I think you touched it with your hands. So there's no...
Yeah, just get it oiled up so the paint sticks a lot better.
Dude, not on the backwoods hoodie. Fuck, dude. Don't disrespect it like that, dude.
I don't know what that's gonna do, but I'm excited to see it, dude. Fire.
Spray paint can with no nozzle?
Not fire.
But we're not saying fire, dude. You're like, hey, okay, maybe don't say fire for a bit, and then you just said it twice in the past minute.
So-
Nelson didn't say it once.
Yeah, so... Oh, I did say it, but on the video.
I'm fucking sorry, dude, okay?
Not fire.
Dude,
I mean, not trill.
Dude,
Not trill,
that's
dude.
hard, but like,
Not trill.
it's gonna get
It's
old.
just such a fire word. Sorry, dude. It's just such a dope word.
You know what? I'm going hard. Adam, you can have the 180.
I don't really...
I don't want this piece of shit.
Yeah, I already got rid of it once.
What are you doing,
Don't worry about it. Don't touch the... Why would you
Or
always
it's like
touch
dirty. Well, maybe because the primer's white.
Update.
This one,
Patch.
I don't know. No, remember when we painted this? Because we were to paint this, it came out the same way. I don't know what's wrong with the hatch. It's like makes
It's cursed. Whatever, your wing will cover most of it, so I'm sure
Yeah.
it'll be okay.
Make this part.
The wing, paint's covering a lot better on the wing, coming out a lot better.
Oh my god, what's it splattering?
Except for the paint gun, or the can keeps splattering.
Paint job, what?
What?
It's on the budget. Rolling out.
Oh, that's not gonna look good.
That's not the
Not ain't it.
Okay, so this isn't turning out too well. It's not fire. What is it? Like this. It looks way sicker. Yeah, it's not turning out that well. So this was just a practice run. We didn't mean to make it good this time.
Yeah, whoever had the idea to paint it right here, I don't know. Nelson, I don't really know what you were thinking on that one, but we'll slap it on.
We're just gonna mount it up for now. Later, we're gonna be painting the whole car or wrapping it or something. So this was just temporary, so it matched because the wing was black before. But yeah, right,
Sounds
Nelson.
good,
What do
dude.
you-
Yeah, Nelson's pretty happy with how it came out. He was talking to us off camera. He thanked us for coming out
Yeah.
and like teaching him the skills and how to.
He was
paint.
like, you guys know how to do this, right? And we're like, yeah, no cap. He's like, trust? We're like, trust.
Oh, dude, let's be real, dude. We fucking capped them, dude.
We were capping heavy.
Wait, what?
We were capping on our painting
Well,
skills.
I'm not gonna e-trench you guys the $1,000 then. To have you
That
guys.
got too real. We're gonna know.
Title of this video: Painting Nelson 240. 180 SX going horribly wrong.
Yeah, this is not. This title is not gonna be a cap, dude. This went horribly
This is not
wrong.
clickbait at all. Man, this looks like shit. What happened?
This is not us. This is all you.
I was like, dude, you want to paint it at my house? No, Nelson wanted to do it here. Did it on a piece of cardboard.
Well, you said Adam's house.
No,
Yeah.
I said you want to bring it over here.
Yeah.
It was in Noah's house.
So I
The
thought you meant-
studio, man.
Well, it was at Noah's house at the time. You should have known, man.
I didn't know where you were.
But why? What's wrong with doing it in my house? At least all our cars are gonna look fire compared to his. Okay, if we peel this piece off.
Dude, fire.
So that'll be fine. Okay.
Dude,
No,
this
it
looks
needs to come
not
this-
like that. This looks similar.
two different colors.
3 different colors.
Fire wing reveal, dude. It's gonna be so good.
Jeez.
It'd be pretty tight.
Should go right or left?
Left a centimeter?
Wait, I think I'm gonna go forward more.
Forward?
Oh no.
Fire.
Sit down.
Oh, dude, this video is so fun.
You can't post this. We can't even post this.
Oh my god. This is a joke, man.
Wings never fit, I swear. Anytime you see anyone with one, it fits.
This thing's junk, man.
Fly right off.
Dude, it does look pretty cool on camera, though.
Hold on
Pull the
like this.
cardboard out, Nelson. That paint match is so good. Dude, fire ass mod, dude. Are you just fucking laughing?
Why is it blue from the sun?
Wait, okay, wait, put the lip on and pull it into the street. How do you feel, Nelson?
Why is it?
Disappointment.
Wait, dude, what the fuck is this, man? You can fit your hand under this.
He was a skater boy.
There's some good
see you
thing out of
later,
this video.
boy. What?
Sick ass trick montage, dude.
That's pretty fire. Look at these kids. Don't play me in a game of skate, losers.
Fuck, bro.
So I can do an ollie. I can almost do an ollie.
Sick, dude.
I'm sorry, Nelson. I don't know what to say.
Just edit it really cool so I can post on Instagram.
Yeah, I will. Dude, you got the blue lip with the blue wing that fits Caddy Schwampus, dude. It's fire, dude. I think you just cracked your lip.
It looks pretty fire from over here, dude.
Scale of 1 to 5. How fire is this car, dude?
I feel really bad for Nelson.
I feel like shit.
It's not turning.
Like, dude, it looks pretty sick, dude.
It looks really good.
Mad fire, dude. Fuck, dude. Oh. Where did we go wrong, man? Alright, pull her out.
Close.
Nelson, we gotta get a thumbnail of the sick ass mods we did. You don't have to say anything if you don't feel like it. It's okay.
After what happened, what are you gonna do?
So does anybody want to have 180 SX for sale?
We're wrapping it.
Yeah, we're
okay?
gonna wrap it. So stay tuned for a rap video.
We're just trying to fix the paint video to full rap video. Nah,
Like-
always gonna be a full rap.
Where we can do like a rap video and like make a rap video in the rap video. Like I'll be like rapping the
I don't know
car.
if we can leave that one in there, but it sounded pretty fire.
Okay. How about like here we're like rapping the car. If you think that's weird, then you are a loser.